In this video I will show you how you can reverse a TikTok video. So probably you see on TikTok that there is a lot of videos that basically you need to do you need to change to reverse if you want to see a hidden message. And guys, it's actually really simple. What you need to do here is to basically go on whatever video you want and press share, and then you need to save this video. So as you can see here, this particular video we cannot save, so let's go with another one. Let's share, and as you can see here, now there is a icon that says save video. So after you save video, what you need to do here next is to go on Google and write video reverse. All right, reverse. And as you can see here, we will have a lot of results, but you need to press this one, first one that says isgive.com. Right, so press this one, and then what you need to do here is to upload your saved file. So let's go for, and as you can see here, you can basically upload video right now as I'm filming, and you can go on phone library. So we can select our TikTok. Let's go on all photos, and let's select this TikTok. All right, let's press done. Let's choose it, and after you download it, what you need to do here is to upload video. And after that, as you can see here, you can reverse, cut, crop, rotate, mute, reverse sound, and much more. So make sure to, when you are doing reverse video, also do reverse sound, and then press reverse video. And we need to wait for a while, but as you can see here, we have our reversed video. So if we look here, probably it reversed, it works perfectly, and you basically can watch it and see the hidden message, or simply you can save it or do whatever you want. All right, so if I helped you out, please smash that like button and subscribe for more similar content. Take care, bye.